It's been a long time, but I'm gonna make up for some lost time. So, I'm here to do a food review for Subway's spicy Italian footlong sandwich. So, I'm gonna zoom in right quick. Alright, this is the pepperoni and the salami. Put tomatoes, pickles, mozzarella cheese, and black olives. Now, here's the aerial view. Right. And it's on wheat bread. Alright, that's how I like my sandwiches. But, here I go. So yeah, it tastes great. Now I didn't get it toasted. I mean, those with the cheese, but you can get yours toasted, or the goal is to taste sort of like a pizza. I think the only thing different is the pickles. So if you get this, you can get it toasted. Probably tastes good with the cheese for you. Right here. All right.